In this video, we're opening up the brand new Pine Green Air Jordan 3s. My first pair of Jordans. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. As you may have noticed by the intro or the title, we're going to be opening up my very first pair of Jordans! I'm one of the small segment of the population that's never owned a pair of Jordans, and I thought that had to change by the time I hit 33.
Okay.
So with that said, we got the Air Jordan 3s, like I said, in pine green, and I'm so excited to unbox these for you all. Shout out to my friend Kay, who I actually met through YouTube. She actually did an Air Jordan video years ago, and I told her, okay, this video actually inspired me to buy some years later. In any event, I'll link her video down below, so go check it out. The moment I saw that these shoes were dropping, I had to have them. Now, I love the elephant pattern on them, and I love the color green, so I thought this was the perfect shoe to buy to be my first pair of Jordans.
It's hot.
So on launch day, I actually tried on Foot Locker, Nike, and a couple other websites to snag my pair of Jordans, and I failed miserably. So anyway, needless to say, I had to hop on eBay, had to make a couple bids. I won the bid and successfully now have my Jordans. Now, eBay does this really cool thing where they actually sent it to an authenticator. They authenticated that they were real, legit Jordans, and now they're in my possession. So in front of me is the box from eBay, and our shoes are inside. Let's get right into this box. So on my channel, we do this little thing called magic, so let's get our scissors with a little bit of magic. Oh my gosh, isn't that crazy how that happens? And now we are going to open the box up. Maybe. Hokey dokey, we're cutting the box open. Okay, they've told me it's an authenticity guarantee. Okay, we like that. Ah! Oh no, we've already destroyed the box. Oh, and almost punched ourselves in the face. Alrighty, folks, so this is our very first look at the box.
And it goes a little something like this.
You guys, I'm so excited. It's really not even funny. Let's. Here they are. We gotta make some room for our Jordans. All right, here's the very first look of our babies. All right, here they are. Oh, they are beautiful. They are magnificent. They are so me. Oh my goodness, I almost had a heart attack because I thought this was one of those, scanner things to avoid theft. Whew. No, it's actually a very cool little eBay. Look at that. Find your focus, gal. Authenticity thing, which hopefully we can get off. I literally cannot get over these kicks. They are so nice. Oh, I love them. Oh, I love. Hopefully no one wore those because that would be, well, if that's what you into, I'm not here to judge. And now let's try these kicks on. Oh my God, those are so nice and so comfy. Y'all, these shoes are made for me. I seriously, I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
Alrighty folks, so that was my very first pair of Jordans, the Jordan 3s, and I gotta tell you, I couldn't be more pleased. I seriously love them so much.
Great success.
Now, I'm sure people are going to be asking in the comments, but I actually won the bid on these kicks for $250, which was a little bit more than they launched at, which I believe they launched at $190. Judge me all you want. I love these shoes. Now, if you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit subscribe and that little notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Remember, I post new videos Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and until next time, bye! You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.